Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you what I got from AZURE Standard this month and compare prices to the cheapest alternatives from Amazon. To make comparison fair, I looked for bulk items from Amazon as well. AZURE prices for the most part are lower when you order in bulk. You don't have to buy a whole lot for the prices to decrease. I have to note that the price from AZURE will be 8.5% higher because it doesn't include processing fee. I already did the math for you, so just follow the numbers in dark red. First, Alvarado Street Bakery California style bread, 6 regular sized buns which are frozen compared to fresh from Amazon. Of course, Amazon is not always the cheapest option. We used to buy the same bread from our local store. You can find it in Whole Foods too. It costs about $4.50 and higher. Here, if we count the same price for one bun, it will be $3.65. And yes, we do freeze our bread because we don't eat it as often. And it is preserved pretty well, I must say. White box on the table is 10 pounds of organic raisins. $25.50 from AZURE versus $55.6 from Amazon. 5 pounds of organic grain lentils from AZURE, $10.45 versus $18.16 from Amazon. I remember how hard it was for me to find organic corn flour on Amazon before. The price difference is significant on this one. Cornstarch and also quinoa are the only exceptions to the rule I have found so far. They are a little bit more expensive on Amazon. 5 pounds of organic pinto beans, and again about twice more expensive. As for creating waste, you can see that AZURE is mostly paper or cardboard, while goods from Amazon may be in plastic. 5 pounds of organic black beans, $10.45 from AZURE versus staggering $26.79 from Amazon. Chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Small tip for those who live in Ohio. If you're looking for the cheapest chickpeas, organic chickpeas, look for them in the bulk section at Acme stores. Organic yellow split peas. So for the price of U-Pick organic split yellow peas from Amazon, you can buy 2 bags of 5 pounds organic peas from AZURE. 5 pounds of small organic navy beans, $11.76 versus $25.48. I couldn't find exactly the same kidney beans. What I found was dark kidney beans. The difference is staggering 85%. Organic millet is 3 times cheaper on AZURE. Brown rice is twice cheaper on AZURE. It also helps you avoid plastic packaging. $5 pounds of small organic red beans, $11.76 versus $21.49. 5 pounds of organic corn masa harina flour, $7.08 versus $26.5. Organic buckwheat kasha, 25 pounds for $55.18 from AZURE and $71.98 from Amazon. We also ordered some organic potatoes, but I'm not going to compare them because you cannot order the same stuff from Amazon. I saved the items with the most considerable difference for the end of this video. Steel cut organic oats, $27 for 25 pounds versus $59.67 or $99.92. And probably the most shocking, 25 pounds of organic red lentils, $52.40 from AZURE versus whopping $153.45 from Amazon. I really hope this information will be useful for those who want to save some money on groceries. If you want to try AZURE Market but don't know how it works, you can check another video that I have made. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Bye!